Most people get this wrong. They think building a mobile app requires coding skills, but the surprising truth is that Bravo Studio lets anyone turn a Figma or Adobe XD design into a fully functional app. Today, they'll give you an honest review. Bravo Studio is a no-code platform for building native apps for iOS and Android. You start by importing your design file, and then you can connect APIs, databases, or external services to add functionality. You won't believe what happens next. Your static design becomes a live, interactive app without writing a single line of code. The platform is ideal for designers, startups, and businesses who want to validate ideas quickly. Features include push notifications, user authentication, and integration with popular backends like Airtable or Google Sheets. Pros include fast prototyping, no coding required, and full design control. Bravo also allows you to export your app to app stores directly. Cons include a learning curve if you are new to API integration, and some advanced features that may require paid plans. The surprising truth is that for many small businesses or independent developers, Bravo Studio offers a way to create professional apps without hiring developers, saving time and money. In conclusion, Bravo Studio is a powerful no-code solution for turning designs into functional apps. It's best for designers or businesses looking to launch apps quickly, though beginners should expect a short learning curve. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews to find the right tools for your projects.